Good morning, students. How are you, students? Hope you all are fine. So, students, today we will start a chapter number 13, Motion and Time. In this chapter, we will discuss about speed. The definition of speed is the distance covered by a moving body in unit time, that is called speed. The formula of the speed is equal to distance over time. The meaning of D means the total distance covered over total time taken. The speed calculated here is actually the average speed, and the SI unit of distance or length is meter denoted by m, and the date of time is second denoted by s. The unit of the speed is meter per second. With the help of this formula, we can calculate the speed. So this is about the speed. After that, we will discuss about uniform and non-uniform motion. Firstly, what is uniform motion? Motion of a body moving in a straight line covering equal distances in equal intervals of time, that is called uniform motion. Whereas the motion in which body moving in a straight line cover equal distance in unequal intervals of time, that is called non-uniform motion. In this picture you will see equal distance in same time interval, that is called uniform motion, whereas the different distances in same time interval, that is non-uniform motion. These are the examples for uniform and non-uniform motion. In this picture, a car is moving on a clear highway with a constant speed is an example of uniform motion, and the swing or merry-go-round, these are the examples of non-uniform motion. And in this picture, this one another example related to uniform and non-uniform motion, and this is the distance time graph related to uniform and non-uniform motion. The distance time graph for uniform motion is a straight line, and the non-uniform motion graph is a curved line. Okay, after that we will discuss about the next topic. The topic is distance time graph. In this distance time graph, you will see in this picture there is a speedometer which gives the speed of the vehicle in kilometer per hour at a particular point of time, and this is present in dashboard of your car. And there is one another meter which measures the distance covered by the vehicle, that is called odometer. And there is the distance time graph of an object moving with the uniform speed, and the distance time graph of an object moving in a uniform motion is always a straight line.